Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can draw and paint sage. So for the sage I'm making my own green color. So I'm mixing little bit of yellow, little bit of blue. Which blue you are using is absolutely important. So I would suggest to use cold blue, and you can also mix a bit of white into it. So when you combine gray, yellow and blue together, you will get a sage kind of color. So mix it, and once you're satisfied with your color, you can start creating your leaves. But before that, I'm creating a basic drawing of sage. So for that, you can create a string, then you can create a leaf. Base is little broader and it is not very pointed but more towards oval side. Now you can make these leaves in a group, and all the leaf has an extended stem, so you can extend a line and then you can create an oval kind of leaf, not exactly oval, not exactly pointed, but something like this you can draw. Now overlapping between leaves is something you can definitely try, because we are creating a group of leaf, so different perspective is something you can definitely try. If you want, you can also have folds around these leaves, although I'm keeping it simple and making it easier for everyone. Now the top leaf I want to make it a little bigger, so I'm modifying it a little bit. And we are done with the basic drawing of sage. Now you can rub all the unwanted pencil mark, but make sure you are able to see it. You can directly start with the painting without a basic drawing, but I think it is easier for you guys if you draw something like this first, and then you can start using watercolor into it. So my color is ready. I think I need a little bit of more yellow into it, so mixing more yellow and more white, and I'm satisfied with this particular color, I guess. So let's start. You can have this color a little lighter as well, but I think I'm okay with this particular color for now. And just go around your leaf area and paint it. If you are using bigger brush, you can paint it easily using one stroke. Even you don't need multiple strokes to paint these leaves, but I'm using a little smaller brush, so just going around the edge first and filling the middle section. Normal process, nothing fancy as such, as you can see, right? It is quite simple to paint. So likewise, paint every leaf that you have first, and if you have overlapping leaf, paint one leaf first and leave it aside, let it dry, and then you can start with the overlapped leaf so that you can have a better result. Otherwise the color might bleed in between the leaves and that will not look good. So you can take your own time to paint something like this. Once done with this particular color for all the leaves that you have, you can paint stems and extended substems for each and individual leaf that we have. So for that also I'm using same color, and I'm going around all the stem area that I have. You can have little thicker stem around the base or for the main stem that we have. Now into my existing green color, I am mixing more blue into it to make the color little darker. So you can have little darker color using same color, and you can add a little bit of blue, and you can also add a little bit of white for that matter, because we are doing sage. So once you satisfied with your color, I'm also adding a little bit of yellow as well, as you can see. So this color is little darker as compared to the previous one, and then you can just go around the leaf area, but this time I'm doing only half. So half of the leaf is little darker and half of the leaf is little lighter. I'm doing it because I really want to give some texture around the leaf area, and for that you need wet area. So I'm wettening the leaf area with more darker color, and then I'm using white color and creating dots like these. So because our sheet is wet, the dots are going to spread a little bit and give us a nice texture. So as you can see, you need to do it one by one so that we can make sure the sheet is wet and the color is gonna spread. So we need to do this particular step only on the wet sheet. So just wetten the area and add dots of white, and you need to repeat the same thing for all the leaves that you have. Now add more blue into your existing green and just go around the stem area and also create the middle line for the leaf that you have. And I'm done with today's video. This is the last step we are doing, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please do let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.